Hello, hello, hello. Happy Valentine's Day. Wow. It's already for love. So now to someone, to all husband or to all boyfriends or even friends, boys and girls, man and woman, and mga grandma and grandpa, mga single or married, mga separated or whatever, basta buong worldwide. It's celebrating for the February 14. So now, if you want to give some hadiah for your someone that you love forever, even by yourself, so you can choose this one. You can search this one in the, what's that? You can search this one in the, baliktad yata. You can search this one in the, ayan yun yata yung name. In the Google, okay. Ayan. It's very, very nice, okay. But not for the man, of course. This one is not for the man. It's exclusive for the girl, the woman, the ladies, mga grandma, mga misses. Aray ko, how to open this one? How to open ba this one? Oh, that's one. But I think no, it's not for the back. Ano mga natin yan? Saglit muna natin. Anong mga natin yan muna? Aray ko. Diyan ka muna sa ano, sa light. Kasi ano ko muna yung ano. Saglit. Okay. Diyan muna natin yan. Para easy to. Paano ba ito yung open? Sus kabobo talaga mo, Chris. Okay. Ayan. Ayan, this one, that one, the lock. Okay, so look. Wow. You see? Wow. Mga madam. You can buy by yourself. You can search this one. to the what's that? The name of this one. The husband or the man or the grandpa or the father, husband na that one, man. So if you want to give a gift to your loved ones, even to your mother, to your sister, to your wife, to your girlfriend, to your friends, okay? To your grandmother, to your aunts, okay? Or to your daughters, if they can allowed not to use this one by their age, okay? Ayan, very nice yan, no? Wow. And you know, this one is for madam. But I'm only asking permission. I'm asking, she finished already this one too. What's that? Okay, diba? Okay. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Ayan, very, very nice siya. Ayan, hello Grace. Wala si Grace. Hanggang video ka na lang, Grace. Gats, hanggang video ka na lang. Okay? Yan, no? This one, ayan, no? Yung di perfume yata yan. Perfume at saka Cramria, ewan ko. I'm not familiar kasi yung mga this one. All over intense daw. Yeah, you're right. Okay. Okay. Thank you again for watching. And once again, shout out to all nationwide and worldwide and to different countries and different people in this